Akhand Bharat. We all must have heard this term at least once in a lifetime. But do we know that the boundaries of Akhand Bharat or the undivided India once used to touch the borderlines of Iran, Afghanistan, which is nowadays very infamous because of the Taliban invasion? Yes, this Afghanistan was once a part of Bharat in the past times. It was a glorious Hindu empire, thence known as Gandhar, from where the present city named Kandahar is derived. The name Afghanistan came from the Sanskrit word Upgansthan, meaning sub-province. Ancient Akhand Bharat was divided into Ganas, meaning province. You must have heard many a times in Mahabharata the famous negative character named Sakuni was also called as Gandhar Raj Sakuni. He was the king of Gandhar, the present day Afghanistan, and also the mother of the 100 Kauravas. Gandhari was named after the kingdom of Gandhar, of which she was the princess. So, the great epic Mahabharata gives us a great clue that Gandhar or present day Afghanistan was a part of Akhand Bharatvarsh, and it was a Hindu kingdom ruled by many Hindu kings. Then let's come to 980 AD. Afghanistan was ruled by the great Hindu king Jaipal. Then the Islamic invaders and many other foreign invaders tried many a times to invade the Gandhar or the present day Afghanistan. But the strong army of King Jaipal and his great war tactics never allowed any foreign invaders to invade in Afghanistan or the gone Gandhar. But to the dismay, after a numerous cowardly tries, the Islamic invaders were successful in invading Afghanistan or the Gandhar. This was the time when the decline of joy and glorious times in Afghanistan started. The Islamic invaders applied the Sharia law on Afghanistan or Gandhar. Virgin young girls were captured and treated according to their lustful interests. The Pathan rulers crossed all their limits. Men who didn't convert to Islam were killed brutally. Since then, the Islamic Sharia law never came to an end, and in the present day, you know it with the name of Taliban rule. The atrocities heard by you in the present Taliban rule of Afghanistan is nothing but just 25% of the atrocities of the Islamic kings of past. After the recent Taliban invasion in Afghanistan, it has been renamed as Taliban Emirates of Afghanistan. The whole world is weeping and is worried about the present day condition of Afghanistan. But none of us knows the dark reason behind the withdrawal of American army, zero retaliation showed by Afghan army, and the easy capture of Kabul, the capital of Afghanistan, by Taliban in just 5 days. This report shows that 99% of Muslims in Afghanistan want the Sharia law. Here, in one hand, the Afghan army is fleeing away like a coward without showing any retaliation to Taliban. And on the other hand, let's bring you the story of the Hindu, the last Hindu of Afghanistan, who is reluctant to leave Afghanistan in such hard times just to protect the last Hindu temple in Afghanistan. Brave hearts are not born, they are created by their culture. जय हिंद, अखंड भारत अमर रहे।